Hello, and welcome to HACC's Military and Veteran Affairs video tutorial on how to submit your Veterans Benefits Request Form, or your yellow sheet. We ask that you log in to your MyHACC portal. Once you are logged in, you should see a screen similar to what is shown in front of you. On the top of your MyHACC portal, you will see a light gray bar with the tab Registration and Records. You will also find in maroon a similar tab. Either of those tabs will work. I will select the Registration and Records tab from the maroon column on the left. When you select this option, a new window should appear. On the left-hand side, under Registration and Veteran Information box, you will find Veterans Benefits a little ways down. Select that option. Under that option, or under that menu, you will find Veterans Benefits Request Form, yellow sheet. You may click that link. Upon clicking that link, a new window should appear. This will be your Veterans Yellow Sheet or your Veterans Benefits Request Form. A pop-up Choose Term may appear. If it does not, please select the blue box called Choose Term. This will pop open a new menu. Under Select a Term, this is a drop-down box. You may select the current term, or if you are seeking to go backwards and ask for back pay, you may select a prior term. In this example, we will use Fall 2024. Click the blue Submit button. While this loads, we kindly ask that you submit a yellow sheet anytime you enroll into new classes for your term. Even if you've previously submitted a yellow sheet, we do ask for an up-to-date yellow sheet, as this will ensure that we have the most relevant and up-to-date information to submit to the VA. The Veterans Benefits Request Form yellow sheet will pull your current demographic information and your current enrollment information. We kindly ask, as you scroll down, please review this information to make sure it is reflecting correctly. If any of the information is outdated, we ask that you use the above reference information here in the light yellow box to update that information, whether it be your address, telephone number, or if you do not have a Social Security number on file, we ask that you contact the Welcome Center at either of the campuses and update your Social Security number. Additional documentation may be required. In this example, we are using a test account. So the data here will not be exactly what you will see. You will see here the HACC ID number. The Social Security number for privacy protection will be grayed out. But as long as you have it on file, rest assured it is there. Your name, your address, your telephone number, very important, your HACC mail. And then you will also see the last term that we have you certified to the VA. In this example, it was 2016. They have returned back to HACC, and that we are grateful. You will also see your current major and degree goal. Please make sure those are correct, as the VA does track and ensure that the classes that you are taking do apply to your current major. Just keep on scrolling down. You will see the next option, Veteran Code. This is also a drop-down menu. If you are changing your chapter benefit or your veteran type or your family member type or dependent type, you select this option to make your appropriate selections. You should see all of the options available. If you feel there is one that is missing, please contact our office at 717-780-2331 and let us know so we can help you select that most appropriate option. In this case, we will select the Chapter 35 eligible dependent. This will actually open up a new box. VA file number for Chapter 35 eligible dependents only. Here, we will need the file number to the veteran sponsor, as this is how the VA connects your account to the veteran's account for benefits. If you are not a Chapter 35, and we will change to Chapter 33 dependent, you will see that box does go away, as a veteran file number is not required. A little bit down, if you will be transferring after this current semester, we kindly ask that you say yes or no, or say yes, and it will open up a new box letting us know where you're planning to transfer. If you are not planning to transfer, you may select no. If you scroll down just a little bit more, you will see the classes that you are registered for. In this case, this test account has 2 classes. It does tell us the subject and the subject title, and the start and end dates and the number of credits. Please make sure those are correct, and that is what you are expecting, and check the boxes on the left. Once you have selected your classes, please kindly review this statement here, making sure, yes, you are testing that everything is correct and that you are taking classes that are part of your major, and that you also understand you will notify us if you are deciding to drop or add courses during the semester. Again, this is to help us report the most accurate data to the VA. Once you have submitted, or once you have confirmed everything is correct, you may select the green Submit button. You will see then a log number is then generated. This is for your future reference. In the event we don't get your yellow sheet, we have technical difficulties, this is a log number that you can refer to. You may print it for your records, you may take a screenshot for your records, whatever you would like to do. This again will be only needed if you've submitted your yellow sheet and we never received it. Once you have submitted it, that is all you need to do. Your Veterans Benefits Request Form or your yellow sheet has been submitted. Congratulations. If you have any questions or concerns, please call our office at 717-780-2331, or you may email us at vaoffice@hacc.edu. Thank you very much. We wish you a great day, and goodbye for now.